Hey, this is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, and today we're here at 7001 at Vineyard Valley Drive over here in College Grove, Tennessee. Now we're going to be looking at a 4-bed, a 3.5 bath, 3,803 square feet of just an absolutely gorgeous home. Really excited to share it with you. But if this is your first time to the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, really your resource for all things Nashville. So whether that be you're looking at a new home, a resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, really want to be a resource for you and definitely want to make this an easier process on you as well. Now, if you're a buyer and you're wondering what your buying power is, or if you're a seller and you just want to know what your home is worth, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me, put a calendar link on our calendar. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and make this be the smoothest process for you. Other than that, make sure you like, you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. You're just going to want to make sure that notification bell is turned on so you're getting as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Again, I mentioned that we're here at 7001 Vineyard Valley Drive, and that's in College Grove, Tennessee. We're looking at a 4 beds, a 3.5 baths. You're looking at 3,803 square feet. You've got a 3-car garage, and I will tell you that this is a custom built home. Everything from the custom millwork to the coffered ceilings. You've got a screened back deck area as well, a Butlers pantry. But I'll tell you, probably one of my favorite things, and you'll get to see this on the tour, is the outdoor fireplace and entertaining area. It's so peaceful, but it's also backed up against that green belt. So it's one of those areas where you can literally be out there sitting by the fire, especially as fall rolls in, and just be able to enjoy the company that you're with. Other than that, enjoy the tour.